In this video, I'll show you how to install Manjaro Linux on an external hard drive step by step. This method lets you carry your complete Manjaro setup anywhere and run it on different computers. Just plug in your hard drive and boot. Before we start, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. First of all, connect your hard drive with the PC. You can see this is my hard drive with about 500 GB. Now let's open Disk Management. Click the search bar and type Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions to open Disk Management. You can see I have 3 physical drives listed. Disk 0 and Disk 1 are my internal drives, and the last one, Disk 2, is the external drive we are going to work with. Now we need to wipe it and change the partition style. For this we'll use Command Prompt. Click the search bar, type CMD, and open Command Prompt. Inside Command Prompt, type disk part and press Enter. Once the disk part window opens, type the command list disk to confirm the external drive's number. As you can see, our external drive is last one, listed as disk 2. Now type select disk 2 and press Enter. This ensures all subsequent commands only affect this drive. To wipe all data and partitions, type clean and press Enter. This command completely erases the drive. Now we will convert the drive to the GPT partition style. Type convert GPT and press Enter. If you go back to File Explorer, the drive is gone. In Disk Management, Disk 2 is now marked as a single block of unallocated space in the GPT format. The drive is prepared. Next, we need the files to create the bootable drive. Open your web browser and search for Manjaro. Open the first official website. Click on Download button. Manjaro has types, but for this video I will go with GNOME edition. Download the latest Manjaro Linux ISO file. Now we will need a tool called Rufus to make our USB bootable. Open a new tab and search for Rufus. Open first website and download its latest version. Once both files are downloaded, open your Downloads folder. Now open Rufus. You need an 8 GB or larger USB flash drive. Plug it in PC, it will automatically select the USB device. Now under Boot Selection, click Select, and choose the ISO file you downloaded. Now it will give some warnings, click OK for all. Now Rufus will format your USB drive and make it bootable. Once done, click Close. Now if I open this PC, now keep the USB plugged in and restart your PC. When PC restarts, continuously press boot key of your PC. From the boot menu, select your USB drive and press Enter. Setup window will open. Choose Boot with open source drivers and press Enter. Now click Launch Installer. Here, choose your external drive. Then click Next. Now fill your name and password. Finally, click on Install. Installation is now started. Wait until it finishes.
2 hours later.
Finally, Manjaro is successfully installed on our PC. Now you can run it from your external hard drive without removing your main operating system. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in the comments section.